All right, so I'm going to go over what you need to do in class today. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do the GeoGebra Reflections activity, which the sub should already has copies of, and so they'll give that to you. You need to pay careful attention to this assignment and make sure that you actually answer the questions, after having thought about it and considering what you're doing in the GeoGebra assignment. Don't just write down the first thing that comes to mind, but you need to actually give thought to these answers because they're going to help you understand what you need to know. I'm not giving you the information, I'm letting you figure out the information for yourselves, but I've set it up in a way that you can do that. And so please pay careful attention to that. When you are done with this assignment, there's a video and ed puzzle that should be available to you at 9 o'clock, and it's not going to be available before then. So at 9 o'clock, after you finish this assignment, as early as 9 o'clock, you need to go watch that video and ed puzzle, and there's going to be a question at the end, and that will be graded, and that will go in the grade book as an assignment. So you need to pay careful attention to that. It's an individual assignment, it's not a group assignment, so you need to treat it that way. And that will close at the end of the class period. So that has to be done before the class period is over. It will not be available after that. And so please make sure you do that. When you are done with this assignment and you've watched that video, then you can ask the sub for the practice problems, and you need to work on those. I will also have a video posted about going over some of those problems, and that will be available on Edpuzzle at some time. By the time you're watching this, it'll be there for you. And so, actually, I'm going to put it available for Wednesday, not for Tuesday. And so I want you to actually work through the practice problems, and then you can go back and watch the video and make sure you understand what you're doing. And you will have a quiz next class over translations and reflections. So please make sure you're paying careful attention to these things. If you have questions, email me. I'll answer them as quickly as I can and as best as I can. If you would like a Google Hangout tutorial time, just let me know, and I'll do my best again to schedule that and make that happen. So I expect you to be in your best behavior, I expect you to do all the things I've asked of you, and really give careful thought to your assignment. Thanks so much.